welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download the newest Edge, which is based on Chromium. Don't expect amazing results because it is currently in beta, but it really is still worth giving it a go. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to click on Download Microsoft Edge and you now need to click on Download Beta Channel. We now need to press Accept and Download, and we need to go Save File. Once the file has finished downloading, we can now run this setup file. Once the install has finished, you will end up with a window that looks like this. And straight away, as you can see, it looks really nice. I like the look of the new Edge. I think it looks fantastic. It's nice and clean looking, and obviously it is based around the same as Chrome using Chromium. You can now choose whether you want to start with your data or start from scratch. I'm going to start from scratch and press confirm. You now need to choose an option here. I'm just going to go ahead and press done. And there we go. This is the new Edge browser. If I go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots, I can go down to settings, and just like Chrome, as you can see, it's all nicely laid out. Like I said, this browser is based on Chromium, so it is going to be very similar to Google Chrome, which is great because Google Chrome is a fantastic web browser, and I really can't wait to see what Microsoft do with this new Edge browser. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.